This is the hospital that I'm in an Uber right now. This is the hospital that I'm coming to pray for Evangelist Nene's husband in New York. We thank the Lord for should be the major entrance. It's a huge Jewish hospital. We thank the Lord for what the Lord is going to do here for him. We thank the Lord for what he's going to be doing here this day. The Lord have asked me to come. The husband said he needed to speak to me of Evangelist Nene, and I'm here to make sure I carry that out. Our God is a good God.